from the book.
Are we going to do our do's and don'ts theme again, or are we just going to...
No.
Okay, so Cam, will you please move?
Yeah, I'll move my...
Today we are the Dauntless Dog Talk Show in the spirit of Halloween.
We have a scary guest.
We have a scary, cute guest star right there. He's kind of cute.
He's a bad boy.
Okay, who's the pet of the day, Lily?
It is my...
It's my...
This one is Mike. He is a male chinchilla, and he's crazy.
He's crazy.
Yeah. He's one of the scary things on
Okay,
the table.
so do we want to tell what this stuff is right here?
I will say the pumpkins, and what do you want to say the other stuff? Okay. Well, this is a 3D printed these, and they're really cool because this one is a jack-o'-lantern.
Jack-o'-lantern.
With a fake light inside.
It's a candle.
Then it's a fake candle. Yes. Then she made a pair of earrings, which
There's little spider earrings.
yeah, they can't.
And the coffin should win the bite it down.
And there's the coffin.
And then she made a jack-o'-lantern with a little robot inside.
Okay.
The robot's not.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to tell you guys today. Does anybody else want to read one of these? Okay, so help students understand why they bully others. If you can help bullies to recognize that they have behaved inappropriately and take responsibility for their behavior, you can start to help them and realize why they do things that they do.
So that's technically saying be nice to them until you know what they do.
This activity and the reasons why questionnaire on pages 145 and 146 may not be appropriate for some students. Some questions may be too complex or confusing for their age or developmental level. Okay. Now, we are going to help students stop bullying. This activity, which should follow, help students understanding why they bully others. And Kaisha's here!
She's kind of sitting back there.
Okay, so right now I'm going to figure out some stuff to read from that book. We have some stuff that I just have to pick out the.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna do our do commercial break.
Do you like pumpkin carving but hate the seeds and the guts inside? Well, you need the 3D printed jack-o'-lantern. It comes with a personal orange light.
Thank you, Sarah. Good. We're back, and that was our do commercial break. I found my stuff that I'm gonna read. We have these questions. Try critical questioning. Okay, number 1, ask the bully what just happened. Number 2,
What exactly did you do? Not why just happened. What?
what will happen next for you?
How do you feel right now?
How do you think the other person feels?
Is this really what you wanted to happen? I like number 6 a lot.
Yeah. That's the one we just read. What could you do next time instead of hitting, kicking, name-calling, teasing, or whatever occurred? Okay, and 8.
How can you make sure something like this doesn't happen again? What can you do?
Okay, so we're going to do a skit, and we're going to try out some of these questions, and after the personnel has been bullied, hopefully you learn something from these questions, and hopefully some of the people that are bullying people learn something from these questions as well. Okay, so now it's time for our skit.
I just wanted to say how nice I like the shirt. Just kidding, I don't like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's just go. She's feeling her way in. We're just going to go over here and have some fun.
He didn't feel good because he didn't like his shirt. It's just a shirt. Well, how would you feel if someone said that to you? I don't know, kind of sad, I guess. Then why did you say it to him?
I thought it was funny.
It wasn't. Yeah.
Okay.
Office you go.
So, is Chandler now feeling better since Cam has comforted him?
Sorry, Chandler. Get away, bully.
Are you feeling better now?
Sure.
Oh, yes, everybody's feeling better.
Woohoo! How about we do?
I am really not a bully in real life. Okay, so
Do one you're not supposed to.
Kaisha's not a bully in life. Bye! We had a great time making this show for you. It was actually one of my favorites.
Yeah, I think it's a lot better than we have ever done.
I was in it. Because Kai was in it. But, okay, like, comment, subscribe. We love you. Bye. And don't forget to keep watching. Don't be sad.